This video demonstrates how to import and export AFE adjustment results. AFE for AFE is available as a standalone tool or as eSquare Studio plugin. The standalone tool can tune analog circuits and acquire the tuning results. The plugin can tune analog circuits and reflect the tuning results in the source code through eSquare Studio. The standalone tool and plugin can share the analog circuit tuning results through register setting files. This section demonstrates how to export the tuning results with the standalone tool. After analog circuits are tuned, select Export Current Settings file to export the tuning results. This section demonstrates how to import the tuning results with the plugin. Follow the main view to write the adjustment program and connect the board. Once the board is connected, select Import and specify the file exported by the standalone tool to reflect the adjustment results in your project.